out so I could trace it. You told me you can be yourself, please stop trying to impress me. That was the sweetest thing I'd ever heard. As the night progressed, I became more adept to recognizing I'm at homeostasis. When you're around, it's like my hands warm up, and all they wanna do is turn your pages. You told me you can be yourself, boy, 'cause you already got me. That was the sweetest thing I'd ever heard. When the seats went back in that Pontiac hatchback,